y'all, it's your girl ChynaMa'Rae, and I'm back with another video. And if you are new here, then please hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, hit that like button and all that good stuff. Just hit it all. My bad, y'all, didn't mean to sound so hostile, but we just gonna jump straight into this video because it's a little makeup tutorial. If you know me, then you know the makeup tutorials was my thing at one point. So right now I'm using Juvia's Place products, and if you do not know, I am a big Juvia's Place advocate. I love them down bad. I'm going to have the names of all the products and everything listed in the description box down below so you guys will know exactly what palettes and everything that I used. But this look is pretty much just a neutral brown with a little bit of shimmer or whatever, you know, the type of look going on. It gives everyday, not too much, you know, just some browns with some nudes and a little bit of shimmer, you know, not too much but just enough to give you a little, you know, make you feel like that girl. It's crazy. I always almost knock my nose ring out my nose when I'm doing my makeup. But y'all, let's get into this foundation real quick because I for one cannot find just one foundation that matches my skin and not have to mix like 3 or 2 other foundations together. I cannot do it. How do y'all shade match or skin match or tone match, whatever, to find just one foundation? I've been doing my makeup for forever and I have never been able to use just one bottle, one color, one brand of foundation and just get it right. I always have to mix or do something to get my shade. But I guess it's okay because I use like 3 different concealers as well, so I guess it shouldn't really be an issue. Like one of my concealers, okay, you see I use the Absolute New York, but then I also go in with 2 of the LA Pro concealers and I use them as well. The lightest one on the inside and the darkest one on the outside. And y'all, I have just fell in love with cream blush, liquid blush, all of it. Juvia's Place, they taking my coins. And I'm just letting it happen. I can't even do anything about it because y'all look at the blush, look at the pigment, look at how easily it blends out. Like you cannot tell me. The only way that this is gonna look like too much, don't get me wrong, they pigmented, so you do not need a lot. But the only way it's gonna look like too much is if you not blending it out, okay? You gotta blend it out. And don't go with the heavy load on your face. You do not need that much. Do not put a lot of that product on your face when it comes to the cream blush or the liquid blush by Juvia's Place because it is pigmented, okay? So you don't need a lot, okay? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Unless you're just like me and you know, you a little blind to the blush, then you can use however much you want to. But yeah, and we just gonna blend that out real good. Blend that concealer out real good. You know, you want it to go in with the blush. And we gonna do that before we go in with my new holy grail, which is Rich Peach by One Size. Oh my God, Patrick Star. I love you so much for inventing this. I love it so much. I have never used a peachy undertone, peachy setting powder ever in my life. But I'm so glad that I started. And I will never stop, okay? I'm not stopping. Can't nobody make me stop. Can't stop, won't stop. I'm not. But yeah, I love her down. She's amazing. You should definitely try her. Moving back into the Juvia's Place, y'all should already know what's going on. I'm bronzing up my face. You know, I don't have any cream bronzer. I need to find some. I don't know. I used to use the sticks, the foundation sticks by Juvia's Place, but I couldn't find them when I went into Ulta the other day. So I don't really know where that's at. I was going to use Fenty, but I decided against it. I don't know what type of cream contour product I need to use. Something that's really good. Can y'all recommend me something? I've been out of the makeup game for a while, y'all. Have not been doing makeup or anything. Like, y'all gonna see when y'all check out that Where Have I Been life update video. Anyways, guys, I was not planning on doing a voiceover, but everybody was saying that I need to do a voiceover. All my, you know, friends that support me or whatever. But yeah, I'm in this voiceover here. I just hope you guys are ready to get back on the journey with me and experience life with me because I'm ready to do it with y'all and I'm just so excited. Make sure that you subscribe. If you did not do it on your way in, make sure to do it on your way out. Okay, leave a like and also comment down below. And once again, the products will be in the description box waiting for you to view. I'll see you guys in the next one.
just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good bang. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things.